It's completely condensed everything that I've started using. It's amazing. So the cleanser that I've been using actually converts over to everything that I use. So I can use the same cleanser in the morning and I can use the same cleanser at night. And all I need is just a little bit of a pump. As you guys see, I've had this for a really long time and you can see it go up. So I've had it for probably about 2 months, a month or two, okay? I don't need a lot because on the days that I wear makeup, yeah, I probably would need more. So on the days that I don't, I just use like a pump of it. Now, what I like about this cleanser is that it actually has 5 times more hyaluronic, 50 times more hyaluronic power, more power than regular hyaluronic acid. So it does have hyaluronic acid in it, but it has 50 more power. So it's got my Baobab oil, which is basically like an emollient. Sorry, I'm trying to get my water warm. It's basically like an emollient, an insulator. It protects from excessive temps, protects against free radicals, promotes wound healing, all that fun stuff. But it has inflation in it, which actually is a patented molecule in the product that makes your skin, like it blocks inflammation of the skin, okay? So it blocks the inflammation of the skin, and it shortens the formulation of free radicals on your skin. So it's basically a natural shield. If you're not sure what free radicals are smoke, sun, environment, pollution, all of that stuff. That's a free radical. And so it shortens the amount of time that free radical will sit on the skin. It also has siloxanes in it, which is actually a patent, is patent too. And it makes sure that the skin gets what it needs, where it's needed. And so the ingredient is absorbed in your dermis and then your epidermis, okay? If you're not familiar with what dermis and epidermis is, it's your layers of skin. So, siloxanes help with that. And it makes sure your skin is getting what it needs. It melts to your skin type. And that it gets what your specific skin type needs at that time. And then, like I said, it makes it stay on the dermis and the epidermis. Now, why is that important for you? When something is staying on the epidermis and the dermis, it means that it's going to be more effective. It's going to work deeper. It's going to work longer, but also it's just going to get the skin what it needs. And then it's got vitamin C in it, which if you're not sure what vitamin C is, Lord Almighty, be using some vitamin C in your skin. Okay, so now I'm going to put some serum on. Okay, I always go by molecular value. What? Yeah, that's fine. I always go by molecular value. So I always put my serum on. Okay, this also has hyaluronic acid in it. Guys, my skin literally does not feel tight. It doesn't feel like dry. It doesn't have any patches. Doesn't have anything like that. Feels amazing. And I love the smell of this stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to my eye cream. Love this stuff. I've been using this for a while now. But I love how this absorbs really fast. But it's got the Baobab oil in it too. Everything I talk about is going to have Baobab in it. And the reason why I talk a lot about Baobab is because it has so many benefits. It is like basically called the tree of life. And yes, I put it right in here. And these wonderful little areas. So Baobab oil has tons of antioxidants, omegas, fatty acids, all of that stuff. I've noticed that my skin tone has changed. It's gotten a little bit lighter. I was getting to the point where I was like using really good skincare, but nothing was happening anymore. I wasn't getting any more results. It was really frustrating, and I wasn't getting, my skin wasn't seeing any more results. So I was like, okay, what am I doing? What am I doing here? So I had to switch it up. I had to do something different. So this is my new night routine. And my skin, like, I'm the type that when I go to bed and I wake up, my skin would still feel a little bit oily, not bad, but it would still feel a little bit oily. But now when I wake up, it still feels smooth and soft, and it doesn't have any oil in any of those areas. Like, my skin feels like super hydrated, and that's a concern that I had at the beginning, because I was like, how can this be for everybody? Like, because I've always been taught customized, right? Well, there are customized things, but this is the one that I chose for my skin because this is the one that works best. So I can still customize skin routines. So I just use my Aquamarine cleanser, and I love this stuff because it has that baobab. It has 50 times more hyaluronic acid in it. And then I toss on my serum, and then I toss on my eye cream, and then my moisturizer. So it's only 4 steps. I don't have to use anything else anymore. This just, basically, I feel like it's like osmosis for my face. So, okay guys, well, I hope that this was helpful for you. If you have any questions on what I'm doing, skincare wise, comment skincare, and I can kind of reach out to you and tell you a little bit more about it. You can actually get it 40% off today. So it ends today, ends tonight. You don't want to miss it. Stackable. So, plus if you're a new customer, you can get an additional 20% off. So you're looking at like maybe 65% off today. So you don't want to miss out